My name is Mark David Balsanja, 16, from Barangay Panican, Carrascal, Surigao del Sur. So I'm vlogging right now. This is my first vlog ever in YouTube, and I'm very excited to meet you all right now. So my hobbies are cooking, dancing, singing, playing volleyball, gardening, something like that. Most of the time, only cooking and singing actually, because that's I usually do in our house. So next is my favorite music is my favorite music is You Are My Song by Regine Velasquez, All By Myself by Celine Dion, and and a lot more, because I usually listen something like with a high note, with a pitchy tone, because I like pitchy tone kind of music, very classical, very calm, very like that can catch my vibe, something like that. So next is I will gonna tell you my vlogging journey, where I started vlogging. So way back 2021, I started vlogging because of the pandemic. I have nothing to do, and I'm just vlogging. Hi Joe, and I'm just vlogging inside my house, doing TikTok, something like that. So year 2022, I realized that vlogging is very fun and very interesting hobby, because vlogging is very, sorry for the sound. So vlogging is very interesting. You can interact other people. You can express your feelings here, and you can do anything with vlogging actually. So that's the reason why I started vlogging, and I'm very happy that until I continued vlogging, because talking is my passion, because I love to talk, because I'm a chatterbox. I love to talk. I love to create new ideas through videos, through actions, something like that. So that would be all. Thank you guys for listening my vlog. I hope you like. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.